So here's version 1 of the cut, kill, stab. It's a kill switch. So it also has a momentary switch that does the opposite of this switch momentarily. Then the next thing it has is the cut amount. So I guess it's maybe a attenuation pedal. You got all the way from full volume. This is just acting like a full volume knob, right? So you can use it like a volume recall if you don't want to mess with your knob, or hell, maybe your guitar doesn't have any volume knobs. The pluses of this are that it's dead easy to put together. There's not much. There's a couple dual foot switches, latched and momentary. There's 2 jacks and a pot. I do have power and an LED, but you don't need that. It'll run just fine without the LED, although you'll have no indication of what's going on. On the cons, tones suck. This volume pot is basically in parallel with your guitar's volume pot, so oh my god, the tones suck. Where'd all your tone go? The other downside is it's clicky. Really loud. I don't mind that on a latched switch, but momentary sucks. That's a crappy thing to step on for a momentary effect. And the other thing that kind of bugged me about this one was the LED works fine as an indicator for when you're in a cut state, but the momentary doesn't do anything. There's really no way that I could see to get that to happen with such a simple build. Not much, not terribly important, but you know what? It keeps me awake at night. Okay, so here's version 2. The boards came in. Beautiful job by Elecro. I put it in the old enclosure here, and I didn't want to drill a hole for the LED, so I've set it up like this so that we can actually see it and have actual knobs up here. For upgrades, this thing uses soft touch foot switches. These things are beautiful to use. They necessitate the microcontroller, but that gives us all kinds of other options, like the LED that didn't used to work is now dual color and works with the momentary switch. Beautiful, that's what I wanted. One of the other things we've got is the ability for some boost. So green is original channel, red is altered channel. You can hear we've got 0 volume. Top dead center should be about unity gain. And then we've got a whole bunch of gain on tap. Lovely. That's what I was after. So the point of this thing, so many uses. One, you're playing away. Say you want to change guitars, walk off the stage, or go check what your mom wants. There, no more noise. Beautiful. I love it as a volume control setting or a recall setting. So you're playing away, and let's say you want a little bit less gain on that. Beautiful. That works fantastic when you're using your amp's gain and you want a bit more foot control over the levels. Maybe you don't have different channels or something. And it is stabbable. So if you want to mute just a phrase or something like that, we can use the boost as the same kind of thing here. And say you get to a heavy part and you want a bit more gain than that. Or maybe you just want to accentuate a certain line. Same thing with the cut. You can accentuate just a couple lines, use it as a like a manual tremolo or a bit of an accent. Beautiful. All kinds of things you can do with this toolbox of a pedal.